We live in an era defined by convenience, yet often that convenience comes at a hidden cost. Our homes, once sanctuaries of simple living, have become unwitting battlegrounds against grime, demanding an arsenal of specialized cleaners, each promising a unique solution, each adding to a growing pile of plastic waste and a fog of synthetic chemicals. We accept these brightly colored bottles as necessary tools, rarely questioning their true impact on our health, our wallets, or our planet. The modern household often grapples with a constant churn of cleaning products: glass cleaner, oven degreaser, bathroom scrub, floor polish, disinfectant spray. Each one meticulously formulated, often with ingredients whose names are difficult to pronounce, let alone understand. This relentless consumption not only drains our finances, but also introduces a cocktail of harsh substances into our living spaces, substances that linger in the air we breathe and the surfaces we touch. But what if the most potent, most effective cleaning solutions weren't found in a gleaming supermarket aisle, but rather tucked away in your own kitchen pantry? What if the wisdom to maintain a truly clean and healthy home, a chemical-free home, was not a new invention, but a forgotten inheritance? For generations, long before the advent of industrial chemistry, our ancestors relied on the pure, unadulterated power of everyday items. They understood that nature provided all the tools necessary for immaculate surroundings. Their methods were ingenious, almost free, and astonishingly effective. Consider white vinegar, a humble liquid with an ancient lineage. This clear, sharp-smelling elixir, a byproduct of fermentation, has been prized for centuries not just as a culinary staple, but as a formidable cleaner. Its primary component, acetic acid, is a natural disinfectant and degreaser, capable of dissolving mineral deposits, cutting through grease, and neutralizing odors with remarkable efficiency. Imagine tackling hard water stains on your shower head, the cloudy film on your glassware, or the lingering scent of last night's dinner in your kitchen. A simple spray of diluted white vinegar can transform these challenges into simple tasks. It breaks down the molecular bonds of grime, allowing it to be wiped away effortlessly, leaving behind nothing but a fresh, neutral scent that quickly dissipates, unlike the cloying perfumes of artificial cleaners. This versatile liquid replaces a myriad of specialized products, offering a single, zero-cost solution for countless cleaning dilemmas. This isn't merely a quaint historical anecdote, it's practical chemistry at work. While commercial multi-surface cleaners often leave behind residues that attract more dirt, vinegar evaporates cleanly, leaving surfaces truly spotless. It offers a tangible, immediate outcome: surfaces that gleam without the sticky film or chemical aftertaste. This simple liquid is a cornerstone of chemical-free home cleaning. The financial implications are equally compelling. A gallon of white vinegar costs mere pennies compared to the cumulative expense of multiple brand-name cleaners. Over a year, the savings are substantial, freeing up resources for other necessities, embodying the true spirit of self-sufficiency. Yet vinegar is only one pillar of this rediscovered cleaning paradigm. Another unassuming hero lies within the familiar orange box: baking soda. Known chemically as sodium bicarbonate, this fine white powder is a gentle abrasive, a powerful deodorizer, and a mild alkali, making it a multifaceted workhorse in the realm of everyday items for home cleaning. Its slightly gritty texture makes it perfect for scrubbing away stubborn residues without scratching delicate surfaces. Think of baked-on food in oven trays, soap scum in bathtubs, or the faint discoloration on sinks. A paste made from baking soda and a little water can lift away these imperfections, restoring brightness with minimal effort. Its alkaline nature also helps to neutralize acidic odors, not just mask them. Indeed, baking soda doesn't just cover up smells, it absorbs them. Placed in an open container in your refrigerator or sprinkled into shoes, it actively draws in and neutralizes malodors, a stark contrast to air fresheners that merely layer one scent over another. This fundamental difference highlights the elegance of natural solutions compared to superficial fixes. However, understanding its gentle nature is key. While powerful, baking soda is not a corrosive agent. It works through mechanical abrasion and chemical neutralization, making it safe for nearly all surfaces, though always test in an inconspicuous area first. This prevents the common pitfall of assuming natural means less effective, when often it means more intelligently effective. The versatility of baking soda extends beyond the obvious. It can be added to laundry to boost detergent effectiveness, soften water, and brighten whites. It can even be used as a gentle exfoliant for personal care, blurring the lines between cleaning and well-being. This deeper understanding of its properties fosters a profound sense of empowerment, realizing that a single, inexpensive ingredient holds so much potential. Moving from the abrasive to the aromatic, we uncover the vibrant power of lemon juice. The bright, zesty liquid extracted from lemons is more than just a culinary enhancer. It's a natural acid with remarkable cleaning properties. Citric acid, the primary component of lemon juice, acts as a natural bleach, a degreaser, and a powerful deodorizer, leaving behind an invigorating fresh scent. Imagine polishing dull brass or copper, removing rust stains from porcelain, or brightening discolored cutting boards. Lemon juice, either alone or combined with salt, can dissolve tarnish and lift stains, restoring the original luster. Its natural acidity inhibits the growth of bacteria and mold, making it an excellent choice for sanitizing kitchen surfaces, particularly wooden ones where harsh chemicals are undesirable. Unlike the artificial, sometimes headache-inducing fragrances of commercial cleaners, the scent of lemon juice is genuinely uplifting and clean. It's a sensory experience that speaks of genuine freshness, not a chemically engineered illusion. This pure natural aroma contributes to a healthier indoor environment, a tangible benefit of these zero-cost solutions. The practical outcome of incorporating lemon juice is not just visually appealing surfaces, but a home that smells naturally clean, a subtle yet profound shift in atmosphere. It reinforces the idea that true cleanliness doesn't require harshness, but rather a clever application of nature's design. To further elevate our cleaning arsenal, we introduce Castile soap. Named after the Castile region of Spain, where it was traditionally made with olive oil, this gentle, vegetable oil-based soap is remarkably versatile. It's biodegradable, non-toxic, and free from synthetic detergents, making it an ideal base for countless homemade cleaning solutions. A small amount of liquid Castile soap, diluted with water, creates an effective all-purpose cleaner for nearly any surface. From floors to countertops, from dishes to laundry, its mild surfactant properties lift dirt and grease without stripping natural oils or leaving behind a chemical residue. It is, in essence, the ultimate multitasker, simplifying your cleaning routine down to a single pure product. This single bottle of concentrated Castile soap replaces an entire cabinet full of specialized detergents, body washes, and cleansers. It streamlines your household inventory, reduces packaging waste, and offers peace of mind, knowing that every surface, every garment, and even your own skin is being treated with a gentle, natural product. This broader impact on reducing product clutter and waste is a significant step towards true self-sufficiency. The feeling of empowerment that comes from understanding and utilizing these simple, potent ingredients is profound. It's the quiet confidence of knowing you have mastery over your environment, that you can maintain a pristine home without relying on external, often harmful products. It's a return to foundational wisdom. Now let's explore the synergy of these everyday items. Combining white vinegar and lemon juice creates a formidable all-purpose spray. Fill a spray bottle with equal parts water and white vinegar. Then add a few tablespoons of fresh lemon juice or a few drops of lemon essential oil for an extra boost of scent and cleaning power. This mixture effectively cuts through grease, disinfects surfaces, and leaves a streak-free shine. This simple concoction tackles everything from kitchen spills to bathroom grime, proving its worth across the entire home. It's a powerful testament to the idea that complex problems often have elegant, straightforward solutions. The chemical-free advantage is immediate and observable, a common pitfall to avoid. While vinegar is incredibly versatile, it should not be used on natural stone surfaces like marble or granite, as its acidity can etch the stone. For these surfaces, a gentle Castile soap solution is a safer choice. Understanding these nuances ensures effective and safe application of homemade cleaners. The environmental benefits of this approach are immense. By opting for homemade, zero-cost cleaning solutions, we drastically reduce our consumption of single-use plastics and the discharge of harmful chemicals into our waterways. This isn't just about saving money, it's about making a tangible contribution to a healthier planet. The reduction in plastic waste is a direct, practical outcome. Imagine your cleaning caddy containing only a few humble bottles: white vinegar, baking soda, lemon juice, and Castile soap. This minimalist approach simplifies life and frees up precious cabinet space. It's a powerful visual representation of shedding the unnecessary and embracing efficiency. For tougher scrubbing tasks, a paste of baking soda and a few drops of Castile soap creates a powerful scouring agent. This thick, creamy mixture can tackle baked-on food in ovens, stubborn soap scum in grout lines, and even gently polished stainless steel. Its gentle, abrasive quality makes it far superior to harsh chemical scrubs that can damage surfaces over time. Proper storage is key for homemade solutions. While vinegar and baking soda have long shelf lives, mixtures containing water or fresh lemon juice are best used within a few weeks, especially if not refrigerated, to prevent bacterial growth. This simple precaution ensures the ongoing efficacy and safety of your zero-cost cleaning arsenal. This method stands in stark contrast to the aggressive, often toxic commercial scrubs that rely on harsh chemicals and synthetic abrasives. Our ancestors understood that effective cleaning didn't require aggression, but intelligent application. This is conventional versus unconventional wisdom in action. The implications extend beyond the immediate task of cleaning. Embracing these methods fosters a mindset of resourcefulness and self-reliance that spills over into other aspects of life. It's about recognizing the inherent value in simple things and harnessing their potential. The broader impact is a shift in perspective. The satisfaction derived from a truly clean home, achieved through your own ingenuity and natural ingredients, is immeasurable. It's not just about spotless surfaces, it's about the peace of mind that comes from knowing your environment is free from harmful chemicals, a truly empowering feeling. These aren't just cleaning tips, they are echoes of an ancient wisdom, a practical science passed down through generations. They represent a timeless understanding of the properties of natural elements and how they can be harnessed for human benefit. The simplicity is profound. Consider streak-free windows and mirrors. The secret? A simple solution of white vinegar and water, perhaps with a dash of lemon juice. This blend effortlessly dissolves smudges and fingerprints, leaving glass sparkling without the hazy residue often left by commercial glass cleaners, which contain additives designed to prevent streaking that can sometimes backfire. The practical outcome is crystal-clear views and reflective surfaces that genuinely shine, achieved with literally zero-cost ingredients. It's a small victory, but one that adds up to a greater sense of well-being and control over your environment. The historical roots of these methods remind us that sophistication isn't always about complexity. Pioneer homesteaders, for instance, relied heavily on vinegar and baking soda for sanitation and hygiene, understanding their intrinsic power long before laboratories analyzed their chemical compositions. This returning wisdom grounds us. Even stubborn drains can often be cleared without resorting to corrosive chemicals. A generous pour of baking soda, followed by white vinegar, creates a powerful fizzing reaction that can dislodge minor clogs. The carbonic acid produced acts as a gentle, yet effective cleaner, breaking down grease and grime. While effective, it's important to remember this method is best for minor clogs and regular maintenance, not severe blockages that may require professional help. Always follow with hot water to flush the system. This practical application avoids the common pitfall of assuming all natural solutions are magic bullets. This natural approach to drain maintenance not only saves money but also protects your plumbing from the harsh damage that caustic commercial drain openers can inflict. It's a proactive, non-toxic way to maintain household infrastructure, another facet of the zero-cost, chemical-free home. And what about laundry? White vinegar acts as a natural fabric softener and brightener. Adding half a cup to the rinse cycle can remove detergent residue, soften fabrics, and neutralize odors. Baking soda added to the wash cycle boosts detergent effectiveness and helps whiten whites. These everyday items transform your laundry routine. These simple additions replace synthetic fabric softeners, which can coat clothes and reduce absorbency, and even some bleaches, without introducing harsh chemicals. The holistic effect is cleaner, softer clothes, achieved naturally, contributing to a healthier household ecosystem. The empowerment feeling of knowing you can manage your laundry, your dishes, your surfaces, your very home with such fundamental ingredients is liberating. It fosters an independence from consumer cycles and a deeper connection to resourceful living. It's a quiet revolution in your own home. Even the pervasive challenge of mold and mildew can be addressed naturally. White vinegar, with its antifungal properties, can effectively kill common household molds. Spray full-strength vinegar onto affected areas. Let it sit for an hour, then wipe clean. For added power, a scrub with a lemon half-dipped in baking soda can physically remove persistent spots. The importance of good ventilation and addressing underlying moisture issues remains paramount. Natural cleaners work best as part of a comprehensive strategy for a healthy home environment. This prevents the common pitfall of relying solely on a superficial fix. These natural methods offer a stark contrast to harsh chemical fungicides, which often leave behind strong fumes and residues. By choosing vinegar and lemon, you create a healthier indoor air quality, protecting your family from respiratory irritants and allergens. Ultimately, the choice to embrace these simple kitchen ingredients is more than just a cleaning hack. It's a philosophical shift. It's a move away from passive consumption and towards active creation, away from reliance on industrial products and towards trust in natural wisdom. It's a reclaiming of agency over our living spaces. The freedom that comes with a truly zero-cost, chemical-free home is profound. It's the freedom from financial burden, from environmental guilt, and from the worry of exposing loved ones to harmful substances. This is the ultimate self-sufficiency, achieved with the most humble of everyday items. The power of white vinegar, baking soda, lemon juice, and Castile soap is not a myth, but a proven reality, a testament to the enduring ingenuity of simple solutions. These ingredients, readily available and incredibly affordable, stand ready to replace every modern cleaner in your arsenal, offering a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable way of living. The practical outcome is a lasting legacy of well-being. The initial challenge of overflowing cabinets, rising costs, and chemical concerns melts away, replaced by the quiet confidence of a home maintained with integrity and wisdom. This journey back to basics is not a sacrifice, but an upgrade, an invitation to experience the true essence of clean.